What's up, guys? Just hit the mailbox and I got that package I've been waiting for some time, and it's here. It's here. So I just want to share this with you guys real quick. Please watch the whole thing and share this with you guys. Probably not watch the whole thing, but yeah, whatever. Let me open this up.
Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chase. Yes, it's a
Trusty knife. Let's get into this package. That was a bad cut. That was a little better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what else is in this box. It's such a nice package. Look at that there. Look at that. That is that Cobra. They did such a lovely job with packaging this item. It's beautiful. You even have the styrofoam at the bottom for your pens, so you don't harm or hurt anything or mess it up before installing. This is gonna be beautiful, bro. It's gonna be beautiful. I do thank you guys at over at CobraRTP. Thank you guys. Yeah, but that's it, guys. That's it. A little small unpackaging video, nothing more. Thank you. Hey, remember to hit that thumbs up. It helps a whole lot. Please smash that thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. Smash that subscribe button. Click your notification bells. Give me that thumbs up. Try that thumbs up. But yeah, just the thumbs up. You guys need to see this. Well, both of them. Both thumbs up. Yeah. Gamer. Hey, but thanks for coming through. Comment, subscribe, and you guys stay safe. So I just walked in the house to a new package. Yeah. But this is just a little pod gauge. It's nothing serious. Hit the lights real quick. Set y'all there real quick for a split second. Oh, can you see that? Can we get a? If you can, it's a boost gauge. It is a boost gauge. That's all it is. It's a boost gauge. enjoyed this boost gauge. Can you see it say boost in there? Probably not. But yeah. Something else to add to a little collection of pods. Once I'm ready to put them in. So that's going to tell you what the future may hold later on. So, yeah. Also, I'm going to do a little giveaway. And it's going to be a giveaway for the D-Series people. You know, because I definitely left the D-Series motor behind. But it's not a bad motor. So I'm going to be giving away. Give me 1 second. Show you guys. Wham! MSD distributor cap giveaway. Once I hit 100 subscribers. When I hit 100 subscribers, I will be giving this away to someone that may be lucky enough to win it. If not, then I guess we'll just be waiting a while until I hit 100 subscribers. Either or, I'm not sure. But nice piece. Let me show you guys the inside if you haven't seen the inside or whatnot. But yeah, nice piece. And like I said, 100 subscribers. This is item I'll be giving away. But other than that, I just want to show you guys a little box that I just stumbled upon coming in the house. I forgot it was even coming, to be honest. So, other than that, hey, stay tuned. I might add on to this. I'm not even sure, to be honest. But, thank you guys. Stay safe.